Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 38th day of the 40 days challenge. Today I'll be cooking Indian style momo with spicy chili sauce, which is a combination of fiery and tangy. I think in India Darjeeling has the best momo, and my love for momo started from Darjeeling. I have a lot of childhood memories of momos, so it's a fantastic dish to eat in winters, summers, any time of the year, and come back with a big smile. It is definitely a comfort food. Two tablespoons of cooking oil. That I'll add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of spring onions, two green chilies finely chopped, one cup of carrot, grated carrot, and add a cup of grated cabbage, 1 spoon of salt to taste, and a spoon of black pepper powder. There you go guys, it is perfectly cooked. The filling is perfectly cooked. Now get this off the lid and let it cool down. Now let's take a blob of the stuffing into a nice bowl and place it on the rice wrappers. So nicely wrap the ball from all sides. This is how the dumpling is going to look. I've transferred all the momos into the momo steamer, and this is going into the steamer for 5 minutes. There you go guys, our momos are in the steamer now, and we'll close the lid for exactly 5 minutes. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. To that I'll add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic, 2 sliced green chilies, 2 sliced bell peppers. Add a tablespoon of freshly made red chili paste. Add salt to taste. Half a cup of spring onions. To this we'll add a tablespoon of chili sauce, some soya sauce, a tad bit vinegar, and some chili sauce. I'll add a tad bit of water to bring it to a gravy consistency. To this lovely sauce, we will add the steamed dumplings or momo. There you go guys, our amazing momo in chili sauce is now ready. And the amazing momo in chili sauce is now ready. My today's 2 cents is about patience. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Patience, persistence, and perspiration is the unbeatable combination to success. Enjoy. I'm going to keep today's video very short guys. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the Indian style momos in the chili sauce. Until I see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye.